Hi, welcome to the Fenston Carter. Today we're going to be looking at a carpet made by Rolls. This is the Rolls company. These carpets are bespoke, they're made especially in southern Spain. The composition is 50% wool, 50% nylon. It's a loop pile carpet. It is very, very hard wearing. They really have put everything into this. Beautiful designs. There's more to come. Have a look at these. Now we think, at Fenston Carter, we think these will make ideal runners for your stair, for your hallway, anywhere else in the house of course, but we really do. We've seen these made up into runners and they are fantastic, I can tell you. What else can I tell you about it? It's a loop pile carpet. It's very flat, very firm. And the quality, if you could feel it, you know what I mean. The quality's there, you can just feel it. Beautiful carpet, made by Rolls in southern Spain. All the information's here. You're going to actually get one of these. You can see this, a digital one of these booklets. All the info's on the back. Find it on the Fenston Carter website. Thanks for watching.